Give me under a minute and I'll flip your whole mindset. Here's the truth. Motivation isn't something you wait for. It's something you build. It doesn't just drop from the sky. It's earned with action every single day. You won't feel inspired before you start working, but once you do, inspiration chases you. Every second spent waiting for motivation is a second lost building your dream. You don't need motivation, you need discipline, because moving forward beats waiting around every time. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, it's a myth. You don't level up by drifting or hoping motivation strikes like lightning. You level up by showing up, making a decision, and then making it work, no matter what. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. So get moving now. Build the habit, build the grind, and motivation will become your fuel. Remember, progress is the real power move. You don't wait for motivation, you create it. This is your moment. Don't scroll past it, don't overthink it, just start. So, if this hit home and you're done with just scrolling without moving forward, do this. Click the link below and join Blank to Bank, my weekly boost for people who actually want to build. Every edition hits in under 5 minutes with tools, strategies, and ideas you can actually use. Thousands of other future builders are already taking action instead of dreaming. Why not you? And since you made it to the end of this video, it means you're serious about growth. Drop a comment below with what you're struggling with right now. I read every single one. And don't forget to hit subscribe so we can keep leveling up together and make sure this kind of content keeps landing in your feed.